Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna teach you how to create multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction table. First, click Start button. Search Microsoft Excel. Highlight and drag. You can go more than or less than 100, and this same process goes for the column. And now, I will rename this sheet multiplication. This one simply D or division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Copy, paste, paste, and paste. Now for the formula, constant, click this. Asterisk stands for multiplication. Let's put the dollar sign. Then enter. Copy. Oops. 100 by 100. There. Now, almost same process goes for division, addition, and subtraction, but just with different signs. For division, we use slash. Enter. Copy. There you go. And enter. Now let's decrease the decimal. Then for addition, same process still goes. Dollar sign. Enter. Copy and drag. Enter. Now for the last one, subtraction. Copy. Oops. That's all. I hope you learn how to create a table for markers. I am a multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you, Arriba. And before that, just save your work.